Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can speed up your old PC. So let's get started. First search msconfig. Now click on Service tab. Now click on Hide all Microsoft services. Now untick the all unnecessary services from here. Now click on Apply, then OK. Now go to the menu and open the control panel. Select the large icon. Now click Power option. Click on Show Additional Plans. Set High Performance from here. Now search Disk Defragment. Select all disks. Now click on Defragment disk. It may take a while, but don't cancel. Close after it is done. Press Windows key plus R with your keyboard. Now type for prefetch and click on OK. Now permanently delete all the cache files with pressing Shift plus Delete. Now follow my steps properly. Now search for Disk Cleanup on search bar. Select Local Disk C and click on OK. Select all the files and press Delete all files. Right click on the computer option and click Properties. Now click on Advanced System Settings. Click on Settings on the Performance area. Now click on Adjust for best performance. Click on Apply, then OK. Restart your PC after doing all these steps. I can guarantee you that your PC is now much faster than before. Many thanks for watching the video. Like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.